Hey guys, it's been 20 years since I saw most of you. I'm looking forward to, catching with all of those who have come here today. And I guess it's going to be an amazing time because, we had a lot of good times when we were in school, and we are hoping to have a slice of that again today here.
This is a very special batch because for one, my daughter was in the same batch, and more than that, these were my babies, our babies, so to speak, in the younger classes. They were such loving children, at the same time naughty.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
Bless us, dear God, enlighten our minds, strengthen our memories, and direct our wills towards what is right.
Coming back after 20 years, it feels like coming back home. I've pretty much studied my entire life in Choice, so for me it's like coming back home and meeting family we've not met for a long time. And it's just a great feeling in general to be here.
For me also 10 years here, from 93 to 2003, and to be back is just amazing.
Australia beats India in 2003 Cricket World Cup by 125 runs. Sachin declared man of the match.
Hi, my name is Tanya. I studied in Choice till my 10th standard, and coming back to school after so many years, it feels amazing. So nice to see all the teachers, and we missed a lot of our friends, but so nice to get back with everyone.
So it feels so surreal to be here, so happy to be back to school. And as soon as I got here, I got roasted by Rahim, so it felt like Choice School.
Thank you so much for inviting me for this homecoming. It was really a very memorable occasion. It was so nice to see the batch of 2003 students as handsome young men and beautiful ladies, and I am reliving those lovely memories. It was so nice to be back in school with these kids.
2003 batch is a lots of memory, and they are so loving children, and they used to come to class and they are dancing and eating, and after class they are all in my house and they are learning chemistry and all other chemistries.
Mr. Thomas, Riyad Thomas. Can you touch your hand?
Do you remember anything what I taught last week? That's Friday, do you remember what I taught last week?
I've been teaching for 29 years, and that's when I realized how wonderful your kids were. God bless each one of you.
Name 3 couples from our batch in 2003.